Good afternoon, sir. I am A. Bhavani from Civil ITP second year. My roll number is 23011P0148. Today my topic is about ELCB and MCCB. ELCB stands for Earth Leakage Circuit Breaker. It is a safety device used in electrical missions to avoid electrical shocks and to protect humans. ELCB is a safety device used in electrical installation to detect earth leakage current and protect against electrical shocks. It monitors the balance between the live and neutral wires. If there is a leakage current to the earth, the ELCB quickly traps the circuit to prevent harm to individuals and avoid potential electrical hazards such as fires. Working principle of ELCB. In this, the current detects the if the current has any imbalance, it will be detect or interpret the current. It is a current operated device designed to operate when a leakage current exceeds the predefined value. It consists of a operating coil and trip mechanism which operate the circuit when required. This coil is supplied through one phase supply, so current in phase and neutral will be same. This current will produce flux leakages same in magnitude but of opposite direction. This will result zero net flux in tripping coil or tripping coil. Resultant flux now is an out of balance is tripping coil or relief. Difference of flux will be induced EMF in the coil which opens the contact of ELCB and isolate the circuit from the supply. This is the circuit diagram of ELCB. And there are two types of ELCB. One is voltage ELCB and current ELCB. Voltage ELCB will be detect voltage between the earth and neutral wires. When the voltage difference exceed a certain level, the ELCB trips the circuit. These are the typically used in older system. This voltage ELCB is an older system and they work by detecting the voltage difference between the earth and neutral, which might not be always accurate detect the leakage current. Current operated ELCB detects earth leakage by measuring the imbalance of current between the live phase and the neutral phase. This type is much more accurate and sensitive and detective leakage currents at lower levels. It provides better protection by automatically tripping in case of small leakage, thus preventing electrical shocks or potential fires. Advantages and disadvantages of advantages: it will be safety, means enhanced safety, rapid response, protection in wet environments, protection of appliance. Disadvantages means this will be higher cost and maintenance requirement. It will take so much maintenance, so may not be protect against all faults, less sensitive. And the next is MCCB. MCCB stands for molded case circuit breaker. Is an electric protection device. It is a device used to safeguard electrical circuits from damage caused by overload, short circuit or ground faults. It is a type of circuit breaker that has molded plastic case and it is designed for handling higher current rating, typically between 100A to 2500 A. MCCB are equipped with adjustable trip setting that allow for fine tuning of the protection mechanism, offering flexibility in various industrial, commercial and residential application. And this working principle of the ELCB, in working principle there are two main trips mechanisms. First one is thermal protection and next one is magnetic protection. Thermal protection is nothing but overload protection and magnetic protection is nothing but short circuit protection. We will see about thermal protection. The thermal protection mechanism is designed to handle overloaded conditions when the current exceeds the normal operating range, but it is not an immediate threat like a short circuit. Inside the MCCB, there is a bimetallic strip that bends when it heats due to excess current flowing through it. Inside MCCB, there will be a bimetallic strip, so that when current will heat and it exceeds, it will strip and bend. The bimetallic strips bend action activates the trip mechanism to disconnect the circuit after time delay. This delay ensures that brief overloads Brief overloads current do not cause a trip. Next, magnetic protection. The magnetic protection mechanism responds to short circuit conditions when the current increases to a very high value due to a direct fault like a short current. Magnetic protection is also known as short circuit protection. The MCCB has an electromagnetic coil that generates magnetic field when a large current passes through it. If the current exceeds a threshold, the magnetic field becomes strong enough to pull and trip lever or mechanism, causing the beaker to the open and interrupt the circuit instantaneously without delay. This rapid action prevents damage or fire hazards from high current caused by short circuits. And there are two types of MCCB. One is based on the protection mechanism. Again, in based on the protection mechanism, there are two types. One is thermal magnetic MCCB and electromagnetic MCCB. And again, second one is based on number of poles. In number of poles, they are classified into 4: single pole MCCB, 2 pole MCCB, 3 pole MCCB, 4 pole MCCB. So we will see about thermal magnetic MCCB. First, thermal magnetic MCCB uses bimetallic strip for overload protection, uses electromagnetic coil for short circuit protection, mostly commonly used in industrial and commercial applications. Next, electromagnetic use microprocessor or electronic circuit to detect faults, provides more prestigious protection with adjustable setting, commonly used in high-tech industries and smart electrical system. And based on number of poles, single poles means protect one phase circuit and used in residential applications. 2 poles MCCB means protect two phase circuit like L1 and L2, suitable for small motors and industrial experiments. 3 poles MCCB protects the 3-phase systems like L1, L2, L3 and used in industrial missions, motors and heavy equipment. 4 pole MCCB protects 3-phase plus neutral circuits used in power distributions where neutral protection is required. This is the circuit diagram and this is the device of the MCCB. And what are the advantages and disadvantages of MCCB are: adjustable setting for protection, high braking capacity, wide ranging of rating, reliable operations. Disadvantages of MCCB are higher cost, bulky size, limited lifespan, maintenance requirement. And we came to the conclusion. Conclusion means short conclusion on MCCB and ELCB. Molded case circuit breaker protects electrical circuit from overload and short circuit, ensure the safety of equipment and wiring. ELCB means earth leakage circuit breaker, detect leakage current preventing electric shock and fire hazards. Means MCCB will be